Most businesses struggle not because they lack effort, but because their financial picture is scattered across spreadsheets, emails, bank apps, and notebooks. This is where a single financial platform becomes essential, bringing everything into one organized flow. That is exactly what QuickBooks is built to do. QuickBooks is an accounting software that helps businesses manage money, records, and reporting from one central platform. This video explores the features in depth to show how they bring order to daily money tasks. You will see how QuickBooks replaces complexity with clarity and supports smarter business choices. Features of QuickBooks. Invoicing. QuickBooks allows you to generate polished invoices in seconds and personalize them with your logo, terms, and deadlines before sending them directly. You always know what is happening next. It tracks views, payments, and delays, while automated reminders improve cash flow and remove the need for awkward payment requests. Expense tracking. Business costs come from many directions, including workspace, software, and travel. QuickBooks brings every expense into one organized place, giving you a clear and reliable picture of how your money is being spent. It transforms scattered transactions into clear spending patterns, helping you set smarter budgets and stay in control of costs. Bank feeds. By connecting to your bank, QuickBooks brings every transaction straight into your system in real time. Your records update as money moves. You no longer need manual entry. You simply review, match, and approve. This keeps your records live and accurate without extra work. Tax management. QuickBooks tracks tax across income and expenses. It calculates what you owe and prepares data for filings. This replaces uncertainty with visibility. You always know what is due, long before the filing date arrives. Inventory management. With QuickBooks, inventory management becomes effortless. Stock updates as items are sold, giving you a live view of what is available. It shows what is selling, what is running low, and when to reorder. This prevents both overstocking and missed sales. Receipt, capture, and organization. Simply take a photo of a receipt with your phone, and QuickBooks captures the details automatically. It files everything in the right place without manual entry. You no longer need to store paper slips. Every expense is documented, organized, and ready whenever you need proof. Mobile app. QuickBooks keeps your business within reach, wherever you are. You can manage invoices, log expenses, view reports, and watch cash flow from your phone, ensuring your business never pauses when you step away. Insights and reports. QuickBooks transforms raw data into clear business insight. It delivers clear reports on profit, cash flow, and performance, turning figures into direction for decisions on expansion, hiring, and future planning. Multicurrency support. When clients pay in different currencies, QuickBooks handles the conversion for you. It keeps every transaction aligned in your records, reducing errors and making global operations easier to manage. Security. QuickBooks is designed with data protection at its core. Encryption, access controls, and backups work together to keep everything secure. Your financial information stays private, protected, and available only to those you authorize. QuickBooks brings all your financial tracking into one easy platform, making day-to-day accounting much simpler. Its thoughtfully designed features take the stress out of managing finances, helping businesses stay in control and make confident, informed decisions. QuickBooks is not just accounting software. It is a single control center for your business finances. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more videos. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.